Again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is going to be the last 3D video. Some of you are probably clapping and saying thank you, no more 3Ds. But it's been a lot of fun, and this pattern might be the best one I created yet. Let's go to see what the picture looks like. The picture really doesn't do any justice, but this is it right here. And it's a pretty cool design. I'm actually going to make it a little bit better. I mean, this has a lot going on. This would really be cool. I mean, there's a lot of 3D effect in this. And like Roy Brewer, one of my mentors, said, it's a poor man's 3D. Someday really want to get into this. So anyway, we got a 5-sided pentagon. It's 0.4. We're going to change our nudge factor to 0.4. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Whoop. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D like that. I draw everything in hairline, but I've changed this to a 1/2 point. These have to be a 1/2 point. Control D, holding down the control button, and you get this. One more time, Control D, holding down the control button to get this. I had to do this to get these star patterns in the middle, or diamond patterns. Now to get, let's go to a 2-point line, and let's fill in this spot right here. And then you would equally fill in, I must not have got on the node. And it doesn't matter that it's a 1/2 or a hairline. There it is. Let me back up here. Now, because now you're going to have all your shapes, and you would do that on both sides. Now you need to take your Smart Fill tool. In our Smart Fill, the line is set for a 1/2 inch or a point, 1/2 point. Fill that in. And I'm going to nudge it out of the distance, out of the way, just to show you. Whoop, get our nudge distance, put it on 1 inch. I'm going to nudge this out of the way. I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to get that out of the way. I'm going to get my diamond shape. And I'm also going to get this shape. Now let's go over here to where they're at. Let me zoom in here a little bit. We've got them all selected. Let's left click, no fill. They are all a 1/2 point lines, which is good. But we want them to be white lines because we're going to use these black lines. And if you understand why I filled this in, because there is nothing here. This is just a space where this is a pentagon. There's nothing here. Now we can take away our 2-point line. We're going to take all these and change them to white. Now I'm going to nudge them back over. Now I'm going to contour from white to black. Contour from white to black. Contour from white to black. Contour from white. And I'm not going to do the whole thing. But now we've got a black line. And we want to go to white. And I've got several videos on 3D that'll show you this. And then just click on each one of these and hit apply. Now you could probably do this with getting this far done and then just duplicating them up, so you wouldn't have to do this but once. But I'm just going to show you what that would look like. And this way you would have a square edge. I did not do this when I did this for the picture. But it's still a cool effect. But if you had a straight edge on there, you'd have more detail. And you can see how this is cut down. It's almost like a round cup. I'm going to, there's many uses. You could do this to hold a marble, with a circle and have it contoured down to the size of, so it wouldn't be just at abrupt square sides. I mean, this thing it's almost rounded. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.